You are in full samosa celebration mode. Everyone's hyped for that crunchy worthy bite. You go in for the first taste and whoosh. Cold samosas crash the flavor party like party poopers. What's up, kitchen comrades? I am Hannah, your culinary companion, and today we are diving into the art of reheating samosas. Now, before we get started, don't forget to check out our website, blogginggoodfood.com, where we put kitchen products to the test and share our honest reviews. Alright, let's talk about reheating samosas. Method number 1, and probably the most classic, the oven. Preheat your oven to 360-degree Fahrenheit. Place the samosas on a baking sheet. Optionally, lightly brush them with oil for extra crispiness. Bake for about 10 minutes or until they are golden and crispy. Take them out and let them cool for a minute. Now, here is a little pro tip. Give them a light brush of oil for that extra crunch. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you later. Now let's talk about method number 2, the microwave. Place the samosas on a microwave-safe plate. Cover them with a damp paper towel to retain moisture. Microwave for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Keep an eye on them to avoid sogginess. Let them sit for a moment before indulging. 30 seconds to a minute and you are good to go. But hey, remember, microwaves vary, so keep an eye on them to avoid a sad soggy situation. And now, the third and final method, the stovetop. Heat a non-stick pan on medium heat. Place the samosas in the pan. Cook for a few minutes on each side until they are crispy and heated through. Serve them hot and enjoy the perfect balance of crispy and gooey. Quick, easy, and my personal favorite when I want that perfect balance of crispy and gooey. So there you have it. 3 simple ways to reheat your samosas, whether you are a team oven, microwave, or stove or top. We have got you covered. Now if you want more kitchen tips, product reviews, and mouth-watering recipes, head over to blogginggoodfood.com. We are always cooking up something exciting over there. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today.